go to school, be a church boy, magnanay-nana, and then to kanang magsunod siya sa strict na society rules. So because of that, Hawk resents both of them. But even so, still ang gihapon siya because he doesn't want to go back to his old life. Na siya nagbuyo sa street, ito siya sa iyahang abusive father, and even wala siya balay, gusto asa na siya. So, sige siya kung tawag sa iyang father, kung dito siya sa ilahang balay. So, with that, after that, ibalik iyang father. I-kidnap tayo siya, and dito sa cabin, dito siya gibutang and locked up. Why man i-kidnap sa iyang father? Because, di ba, wealthy naman si Kuan, wealthy naman si Hank Payne. Dahil niya gusto ko niyang kwarta para masatisfy ang pagkakalawin. So, anti-inong is wealthy ka. So, rising action. So, to escape, Hank faked his death and went to Jackson's Island. In there, he met Jim, the runaway slave of Miss Watson. And then, together, they traveled along the Mississippi River using a raft. Kailan mo raft? Bamboo? Yeah, like kawayan nga, bangka-bangka. So, during their journey, they faced challenges. First is the slave hunters. Second is the violent family feud. And lastly is the ang Duke ug ang King. So first is katong sa slave hunters. So, di ba you know that before in America, black people are considered as slaves, right? So, mo to, runaway man si Jim. So, kaning mga slave hunters or slave catchers, nagapangita sila o mga slave, ilang dako ibalik nila or ilang ibalik niya with kanang dako nga amount. So, mo to. During their journey in the river, nagkita sila to. Dayon, gipangutana si Hank sa isa ka hunter. Ana siya nga. Is that black? Ana, is that black? Ito muna na siya. Ana dayon si Hank na. Siya gusto makonsensya kay syempre, gusto na gawin mo ilaglag yung friends. Padakot din mo, syempre wala, di ba? Ana dayon si Hank na. No, yan itong father. Yan itong father na ay smallpox, which is very deadly nga disease. So, nituon tong mga slave hunters. So, naluoy sila, ginagaan nila o kwarta si Hank Payne para magpuis sa iyang father. Ito, first nga adventure nga na-challenge nila. Second is the family feud, very violent family feud. So, during their naamay mga various towns along the Mississippi River. Dayon, dito, na-meet siya friend nga si Buck Ranger Ford. Nagulat sila dito kaning si Ranger Fords and Shepherd's Sons are wealthy family there sa nga town. Dayon, after the island to dayon, nag-ano sila ni Hank na, nag-stay sila dito, mga welcoming puno kayo sila, mga inanana. Ato dahil one time, wala siya og Romeo and Juliet. Sa family sa Ranger Ford, ang babae, ang nanay sa Shepherd's Sons, ito ang lalaki, nagkailaban. Ilang din feud is very long time ago na kayo dahil sa mga family. Pero gias ni Hank Payne, ganun na sila feud, inana. Ang tubag sa iya is, I don't know. Wala sila kabalo kay ganun man. It was very long time ago, di ba? So, nalimot na nila, unsay reason, ganun nagwal siya kay. Ang ilang feud is, passed down from generations to generations hantod sa nalimot na yun sila nganong naa sila feud or na wala na kabalo ang kaninga generation dani nganong naa sila away. So ato the girl and the boy na fell in love, then that was the start of the war. Their war was very bloody and a lot of people were nadamay. So datong panghitabo very traumatized kayo si Finn, no? So, i-decide nila nga maghawa na sila na itong lugar. And lastly is two conmen, which is the Duke and the King. Ang Duke o King, along their journey sa Mississippi River gihapon nakita sila. So nag-introduce tong duha na they are nobles daw inana. Dayon dana i-let tayo nila nga sila ang mag-andar sa ilahang journey. Dana ang journey. Sila ang simple kung sa barko pa is ang mag-captain. Kunya, wala sila kabalo, dili nila mabuuan kay master kaayo sila, di ba? Conman is very one, okay na sila. Matuhan hindi mo kayo kung dili ka kabalo o tanaw. Moto kay one sila, master kay sila magbaligya o mga fake na miracle, miracle na paulian sa mga tambal or unsa pa na diha. So wala sila kabalo nga in the climax, the Duke and the King sell Jim to a farmer. Jim is ito yung friend ng Black daw. So, dali, walang gulo, nag-decide si Huck nga kanang iya magiligtas yung friend. Kunya, na-decide na niya dito nga iya iligtas si Jim even though against sa ilahang rule society o kuan ganang pwede siya mapatay, pwede siyang patyon kaya nag-help siya og black person. So, together with Tom Sawyer, they made a risky plan to help Jim free. But they didn't know that Miss Watson, Miss Watson is yahang amo ni Jim, already freed Jim. So, Huck also finds out that his father is dead and his money is safe. Why pa na dead? Nakay nagkuhan, balita niya. Of course, ang nagbalita niya is si Jim Regihapon. Kaya along their journey na to Mississippi River, they saw a floating house. When they went inside, si Jim una nakakita. First, siya man una ni sulod. Dito tayo nakita nila, there was a dead body lying down. So, si Jim ra ang nagtambon, di na niya si Huck nga dili na magduol kay patay naman eh. So mo nito nagduol na sila dito before ang panghitabo nga gibaligya si Jim. So I don't know if happy ba siya or basta kay iyahang money is safe from his father. So kaning kuan katong Tom recovers from being shot during their escape plan pero naka-recover lang gihapon siya. So in the end, Huck refuses to be civilized again. Instead, he decides to travel west to live freely on his own terms. So he wants to begin a new chapter, having independence and another adventure. So dito siya ni ato sa west side. West side is around dito sa Montessori, something like that. So maoto siya. So you wanna know more about this story?
Yes.
I can't hear you.
Yes.
Okay, Miss Incluna, share us the elements of this story.
Everyone, please arrange your chairs and sit properly. So the first element of the story is the conflict, man versus society. So in the story, Huck struggles against the civilized society, which tries to control how he should think and behave. Also, he faces an internal battle when he must choose between freeing his friend or following the laws. The next one is about the theme. There are three themes, which is the freedom, slavery, and friendship. So freedom is shown as a major goal for both of them because Huck wants to be wants freedom from the strict society and Jim wants to be freed from being slave. Their journey along the Mississippi River becomes a symbol of their desire to live life according to their own choices. Slavery. Sa novel, gina-expose dito nga cruelty and injustice sa mga experiences and the way na kanang ginatrato dito sila sa society. Ang awareness na we have gina-highlight ang injustice sa novel na nag-tackle on criticism and racism